good news first, the dynamic forms are now also available for standard objects in Salesforce. In the past, it was only available for custom objects, but makes it easier to, let's say, filter the sections or display all your sections or fields dynamically. And that's a good point. But there is one weakness still in comparison to our, let's say, classic page layout. What you have here in your classic page layout is this blank space. Perhaps you need it to make it, look a bit more comfortable or whatever, but it's easy to drag and drop here blank space if you need it. Once you look at the dynamic forms, I already upgraded here to dynamic forms, and you look at your fields, you do not have any of these. So, but there's a workaround. We will go and create a formula text field for it. And what we want to have is, don't worry about the text at the moment. We want to have this like just a blank space as a label so that you can use it as a blank space field. The problem is I just typed in here now a blank space, and if I want to click on next, I get an error message because I need a value in there. And the workaround here is to create a so-called zero width space. Of course, you will get this link here from this website, or find one on your own. And what I can do now is I can create the zero width space. It's also just a blank space, but it gets recognized as a value. And once I click on next, you see here, now it's working. Put in here just this and click on next. We will make it visible for all our users. And we do not need it at the page layout in a moment because we will do this with dynamic forms. Okay, then let me save this for a second and refresh it. And now you see, once we go back to our fields, we have here just a formula field with, let's say, an empty name. And now we can use this as our blank space like we did it here in the classic layout. And that's it, how you can create these blank spaces also for the dynamic forms.